Hello everybody, welcome to Anupma's kitchen. Today I am going to try some cutlets. I have some leftover chickpeas or garbanzo beans or kabli chana in Hindi, and I have cut one medium size onion and then few chilies and one clove of garlic finely chopped, then garam masala, salt to taste, and 2 boiled potatoes. So I will first mash the chickpeas nicely. After mashing the chickpeas, there are few chunks right there, so keep doing that. And then it's time to add potatoes. You can use your hands, and then onion and chili, garlic, garam masala, and you can also add some herbs for nice flavor, or paneer if you have at home. Salt to taste. And then again mash them nicely with hands. Once you have finished mashing, you should start making the rolls. You can give the shape of your choice, but I'm giving them round shape. After making the kebabs, we will fry them on tawa. Now you can see I am heating the tawa and spray with some oil, and I'll put 2 kebabs. So let them cook on medium high for 5 to 7 minutes and flip their sides if you think that they are done from one side. You can see that they are done, and you can serve it with the green chutney or tomato ketchup. Look, the kebabs are ready to be served. I am serving them with the tomato ketchup. You can serve it with green chutney also. So let's have a bite. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.